What if paying for college didn't mean racking up debt, working 3 part-time jobs, or watching your parents silently carry the entire financial burden? What if you could actually earn $1,000 a month passively while still going to class, hanging out with your friends, and living the best student life? This could radically transform your college experience. And today, I'm going to help you shift your perspective because building passive income isn't just for influencers or tech experts. It's accessible to anyone willing to learn and commit. If you're ready to stop wasting time scrolling and start creating income streams that work for you, this mindset shift is your first step towards financial independence. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share the exact business secret that helped me earn 6 figures in a year, starting from zero experience. Now, let me show you 3 proven methods that will get you your first $1,000 a month as a student. This is my personal favorite because it changed everything for me. I've made 6 figures in the last 6 months just by selling my own digital products. Products as simple as mini courses, aesthetic study planners, and guides priced as low as $10. Why are digital products powerful? Because they turn your knowledge into assets that will sell while you sleep. You create it once and it sells over and over again, whether you're in a class, at the gym, or asleep. The digital product market is set to hit over 300 billion globally, and students are uniquely positioned because you understand what people in your age group need, whether it's study hacks, simple AI guides, or productivity frameworks. One of my students, an international student juggling classes and part-time work, crossed 100K in revenue by simply selling digital products that she didn't even have to create. Not because she was exceptional, but because she used proven digital product frameworks that sell while you sleep. The best part about digital products is that you have to create them using your phone and your laptop, which I assume you already have. That is the massive power of the internet and some online tools that you can create products once and keep selling them over and over again for passive sales. Now comes my next favorite income stream, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is how I made my first 6 figures, and it is still the lowest risk income stream to start as a student. You promote products you already use and love, and you earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. No customer service, no shipping, no product creation, just sharing honest and genuine recommendations. The affiliate marketing industry is expected to grow to $15.7 billion by 2027. And you can start by joining affiliate programs for tools you already use, like Canva, Amazon Study Gadgets, or even educational platforms. Inside my coaching community, The Low Ticket Life, I also teach you how to use master resale rights to amplify affiliate marketing, allowing you to earn 100% commissions on digital products while learning how to sell online, another method that helped me hit 6 figures in under a year. And the last and final one, UGC. Most people think you need to be an influencer to get brand deals, but here's the truth. Brands need content, not your face. With UGC, you can create videos, photos, or testimonials for brands to use in their ads and social media. You don't need thousands of followers, and you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. Brands are actually shifting budgets from influencer sponsorships to UGC creators because it's cheaper, it's relatable, and it converts better. Students are in high demand because of your lifestyle, and relatability connects directly with brands' target audiences. And here's something exciting. Inside the Low Ticket Life, we've just added a new module teaching you how to get paid brand deals with as low as 100 followers. Even if you don't want to be an influencer, you'll learn how to pitch, package, and deliver UGC for brands while staying behind the scenes. These are the 3 proven methods: digital products, affiliate marketing, and UGC that can help you earn your first $1,000 per month as a student and pay off your tuition without sacrificing your college life. I've made 6 figures in the last 6 months with digital products, 6 figures with affiliate marketing and master resale rights, and now I'm making money with brand partnerships and UGC. And the best part, I teach all of this inside my coaching community, The Low Ticket Life, where I show you how to make bank selling products as low as $10. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start building your financial freedom, I'll link everything in the description. Subscribe for more.